Alright guys, before starting the video I want to mention that you can only destroy the corrupted eggs with this Wishender bow. If you don't have the Wishender bow, I made a complete guide how to get it. The link is in the description below. And in case if you want anything specific like the chest or the eggs or the bones, I'll put the timestamp in the description also. Alright, the first egg is in the starting of the encounter. You can see the symbol on the wall. A bird is falling down. From there, go left. And here you can see a tree on the left side. Climb on the tree, then jump on the rock behind you, and here you can see the first egg. For the first chest you have to come to this room, the dragon looking symbol on the wall. From there go left and then downside. There inside a cave you can find the first chest. For the second egg you have to come to the room where two snakes are facing each other, symbol is on the wall. From there look upward and you can see the second egg. In order to get the first bone you need to apply the tincture of Queen's Foil. If you don't have it you can buy it from Petravenge in the Dreaming City. Once you have reached the room where a bird looking symbol is shown on the wall, apply tincture of Queen's Foil here and then come to the right side of the room. There you can see some invisible platforms which will appear. Climb to the top of this building through them. Once you have reached here, go to the opposite side of the room and there you can see few more platforms. Once you are on the top, you can find a statue there. On her hand you will find the first bones. The second chest is before the sniper room. From this door, come left. Here you can see some rocks on the wall. Through them you can climb to the top of that area. And here you can find the second chest inside this room. When you come out of this door, the second egg will be on the right side of this door. If you have the Ascendant buff that you get from the tincture of Queen's Foil, you can jump on this platform and you can easily shoot the egg from there. You need to apply the tincture of Queen's Foil in order to jump through these platforms on the opposite side of this area. There inside the room you can see the second bones. To get the third bones you have to come to this platforming section. Some ogres will spawn here, you have to kill them, then follow my character to the third bones location. Here, don't try to get close to the blind looking object, otherwise it will push you off the platform. Also you need the Ascendant buff. Here you can see left side of your screen. If you ran out of the Ascendant buff, you can use another Tincture of Queen's Foil. When you have the Ascendant buff, you can see another platform, left side of the Blight. There are two chests here. One is inside the thrall room and one is outside of the thrall room. Before entering the thrall room, go right side from here. And here you can see the first chest before the thrall room. Once you have collected the chest, come back from there. And after entering the thrall room, just go straight. Normally we'll turn left from here, but don't turn left here. Instead, from the mid of this area, jump down, and there you can see another chest inside this area. After collecting the chest, go into the portal and it will respawn you on the above area. After exiting the thrall room, you can see another egg right side of this platforming area. There is another egg on the right side of this area. If you want, you can clear the ads, then get the egg. And another bone is also here on the right side. To get the bones, you have to climb the rocks in front of us. This bone is kind of hidden, so follow my character to the bones location. If you are not able to jump too high, put on some mobility mods in your armor. After reaching the top, you will hit an invisible barrier over your head. From there, look down and you can see another platform there. At the end of this platform, you can find the bone. The next egg is after the Vorgeth encounter. Here on the right side of the statue you can find the next egg. There is another egg after the statue. Before jumping off the platform, look right side and here you can see another egg. Now climb down and before going to the elevator, go right side on this area. You have to apply the Tincture of Queen's Foil in order to get the next chest. Here on the right side you can find some hidden platforms that can only be seen after applying the Tincture of Queen's Foil. Once you have collected the chest, come back and jump on the elevator. And here on the top you can see the next egg. The next egg is after this platforming section. Once you have crossed the platforming section, don't go inside. Look to the opposite side of this section and you can find the next egg there. After getting the egg, come inside. And here before the elevator, go left and there you can find the last chest. Alright, that's it for today guys. If you find the video helpful, please consider giving a like. That really helps a lot. Thank you for watching.